Hello everyone, it's me Jeppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a file manager with split multiple tabs inside a single window in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as File Pilot, and on the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Get File Pilot. Now here you will see on the left side download free. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's been downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. So now you can see this kind of user interface. So now above you can see the different tabs. So you can click on this plus button to add more tabs. So now say I want to split this open tabs. So what I need to do, just place your mouse cursor on the respective tabs window and just press the mouse wheel. And now you will see here split right or split bottom, whichever option you want to select. So I say I want to select this split right. So now you can see here it's being splitted. Now I want to split more tabs, and you can place the mouse cursor on the respective tab window and once again press the mouse wheel once. Now say I want it in the split bottom. So now you can see here. So you can split multiple tabs depending upon your needs. So by using this application named as File Pilot, you can easily get a file manager with split multiple tabs inside a single window in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.